Hello, dear student. I hope you are doing wonderful and ready to register yourself for the live classes we conduct on Zoom, and you will use the live questions channel for communication with the instructor during the live classes. So let me show you how to register yourself, how to add webinars to your calendar, and how to join the webinar at the starting time, at the necessary time. So on Discord, in the course announcements channel, you will receive two links for Saturday and Tuesday live classes. So you will need just to click on the link and register. I will just copy and paste it. So you will see that here is data batch 26 Saturday live class. You need to register for Saturday classes just once. The same you will do for Tuesday live classes. We will approve you, and that's it. You don't need to register for every single class, but you need to be approved first. So you should fill out the form below webinar registration. Put your first name, your last name, your email address. Guys, only Gmail will be approved. So let me type the email address. All right, city, country, and your phone number. All right, yes. Let's register, and you will see that your registration is pending approval. So let me just approve myself. I will just show you some of the backend. So how we approve actually. Yes, we get your registration requests here, and what we check the email address you register with, and it should be Gmail only. All different Gmails, all different emails from Gmail will be rejected. Just don't get surprised. Just register with your Gmail, please, and you will be approved. So I got approved, and now what we should do, we need to go to our Gmail inbox. And you will see you should have received the confirmation from Zoom. Yes. Here it is, the confirmation for Data Batch 26 Saturday live class. You just click on it and you will see the event itself. Plus, you will see the schedule for Saturday's classes. You will see join webinar button. So there are two options I can say on how you can attend the live class. So first, and what I really like, I like to add the event itself to Google Calendar. If we click on yes, it will be automatically added to your Gmail calendar here. Let me just show you. We go to calendar here. And here you go. See, you have all of these classes here, and same you will get here for Tuesday. And for example, it's Saturday, so it's tomorrow, right? For example, right now it's Saturday, 9:55. So you click on this event in the calendar, and you will see that there is a link join from PC, Mac, iPad, or Android. You just click on the link and you will be redirected to your Zoom account, and you will just simply join the class. That's how you can do from calendar. Or for example, there is another option. You bookmark, you star this page, add to favorites, right? This confirmation letter. And here is your unique link, which you shouldn't share with your classmates. We know that you are very kind and helpful to your classmates, but please don't share this link with them, because if they join with this link, you won't be able to join this class until the student leaves this class, and you will be able to join it with this link. So just be careful with this, with sharing this link. So, for example, again, it's Saturday 9:55, and you want to join the webinar. So you just click on join webinar, this blue button, and again, you will be redirected to Zoom. You just open your Zoom meetings and you will be just in the class. Same you will do with Tuesday. Let me just show you. Let's go to Tuesday class. Again, you just click on the link. You will be redirected to Zoom class. And here you will see the schedule for Tuesday live classes. All right. Again, the information. And register. Let me approve myself again. All right. All right, perfect. Yes, we can close it. And let's go back to Gmail again, to your inbox. And you should have received the confirmation email for Tuesday class. Let's just wait for a while, because sometimes it takes time, of course. Yes, here you go. You can immediately start the letter just in case. So now you have two confirmation letters from us. You get it when you are when you are approved. So no need to register every single class. You just get two confirmation letters, and that's it. You just start them the same you do for all the for all the rest pages, like widget. You just bookmark them, or canvas. All right, let's go to the letter again, and we click yes. Or for example, if you don't click yes, you can always add the event to your Google Calendar here. You see add, or for example for Outlook or Yahoo, Since we are using Gmail, I think that it makes sense to add to Google Calendar. You can click on it, and you will need to select the Gmail which you are trying to add your event calendar. And here you go, you have two events on Tuesday just because I clicked yes here, and then later I added through this button, this one. That's why I got duplicate. So just to remove the duplicate in the event, you can just click on delete all events. Yes, you have removed the duplicate event. And here you go, you have Tuesday classes at 7 p.m., starting at 7 p.m., and Saturday classes. And the same approach, for example, at Tuesday, 6:55, you just click to join, and again, you will open the class through your Zoom meetings and you will be in the class right away. I hope, guys, it was helpful for you. Just again, you can have start two letters, confirmation letters for Tuesday and Saturday live classes, and you will be good. You can always join the class from the letter. Just click on join webinar and you will be there. Or you use a calendar and click the link in here. So see you guys tomorrow. I will walk you through the whole process again with Canvas and VGArt working together. And thank you for watching. Have a nice evening. Bye bye, guys.